It's funny when Amy tells stories about her friends and people that have met her when she was younger. They would say, you know, I wanted to hate her, but I just couldn't. I realized So I'm so happy you followed me in the presidency for Incline Village Realtors. And as I move on to the state level, I invite all of you, including Brad, who's a total stud, in building a stronger state association and furthering the Realtor agenda. There's a lot of things that we can do. I think we've got a lot of things with Kendra's help moving in the right direction. And you know, Brad is going to do a great job. Just be like water. You'll be fine. And I'm so proud to be here tonight. I forgot that there was even a Realtor of the Year award last year, and I won it, and I'm thinking, God, I didn't even know anything about it. So I asked Kendra to give me a little background, because I didn't really know what does this mean? Why did I get it? And the purpose is to recognize an outstanding realtor that supports realtors, their efforts in the community. It includes their civic activity, realtor spirit, and furthers the ideals of Realtor Code of Ethics. It also includes business accomplishments, local business activities, and state and national association participation. The Realtor of the Year is selected by a special committee of past Realtors of the Year. Can we please have the past recipients of the Realtor of the Year please stand so we can recognize you?
Ooh, Chris!
Everyone else can stand, please. This is a little tradition we do where we're going to do a process of elimination. So everyone please stand.
From Chris, how many everyone?
Couldn't vote for, which was her. and thankfully we have an amazing Realtor of the Year committee, and they knew what they were doing.
Absolutely right. I'm lucky we have amazing members on our board. We are a very unique board up here. And I literally looked around like, please don't. I'm going to name so many people that I just don't give it to me. I don't need that, right? I'd rather focus me elsewhere. I am very, very shocked. I'm very humbled. I'm really honored. And one thing I can honestly tell you as I look out amongst the audience and so many people who haven't been here, our Realtor board up here, these are not people that are in competition. These are my friends. These are people that are part of my community. And we do great things in this community. And I am beyond honored. Thank you all so incredibly much. Thank you for being my friends. Thank you for doing amazing deals together and doing the right thing by some of our very interesting clients that we get sometimes, right? To say the least. You guys are incredible, and again, thank you for a beautiful year. Please serve and get involved. It's very rewarding. Thank you.
We have a gift for the president every year. I was lucky enough to really get to know Amy this year, and I really, really hope that she likes her gift. Trevor will be helping her a little bit, not a lot. All the rest of us, totally yes. But I want you to read that and then understand what kind of day it's been. This is hard.
Out loud.
But she, I do want to tell you guys that I get a lot of credit when everybody gets up here at night and everybody tells me how wonderful the event is. And I do want to take an opportunity before I lose everyone's attention to say thank you, Laurence, for making me look fantastic. We talk a lot about being a family in Incline Village, and I don't know if there's ever a way for us to express the trueness of that. But this year I have had the privilege of calling Amy and Trevor not only friends but family. And I don't know how to express to them the gratitude that I feel for not only them serving, but the kindness that they've shown me. And I think that they show our community. And I hope that a little bit of the Realtor of the Year award goes a long way while you're here. And let's give Trevor a round of applause for his Realtor of the Year 2020. He is so good and grateful. Karen wrapped his award in box after box after box after box. And I really wish that all of you had been there with us to celebrate Trevor winning Realtor of the Year, Denise winning Good Neighbor Award, and Lauren Blair winning Realtor of the Year.